Oh no. Tom, do you know what happened to my grandmother's vase? It wasn't me, Mom. It was that stray cat. It jumped in and knocked it over. No. I see. I didn't know cats could jump that high up onto the mantle. I'm just glad you're not hurt. Okay, I'm safe in here. It's just a weird dream. Just a dream. Hey! Why can't I hold anything? Stop it! It was just a little lie. It wasn't a big deal. So sad. Because I didn't tell the truth. Mom. Can I talk to you for a second? Mm-hmm. Of course, sweetie. What's on your mind? You won't choke me out. I won't let you. I lied, Mom. The cat didn't break the vase. I was playing ball inside and I accidentally hit it. I can move normally again. It's gone. I can move normally again. Thank you for telling me the truth, Tom. That took a lot of bravery. I'm so sorry, Mom. I'll never lie to you again, I promise.
I know, sweetheart. It's okay.
Things can be broken and fixed, Tom. But trust is much harder to repair once it's broken.
hold it right there for a few seconds. Perfect, just like that.
Hi, Barnaby. Sorry I tried to blame you, buddy. Look, Mom. It's coming together perfectly.
It really is. Honesty makes everything beautiful again. A special snack for a brave and honest boy.
Thanketh, Mom. It is delicious. Soft laughter.
Remember today, Tom. The truth always clears away the darkest clouds.
I will, Mom. Telling the truth makes me feel light as a feather.